Hey guys, Jeff here with another Wash Life episode. We're going to go over a quick video on how to pressure wash a driveway. First thing you want to do is pre-treat the surface with some 12.5% SH. I usually add a little surfactant just for visual confirmation that my injector is drawing. You can also pre-wet the surface so the concrete doesn't absorb all your chemicals. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified when the next video drops. Peace.